All right, so we're gonna start talking about here, and I'm coming in through the camera. I'm about maybe like 50 feet and coming in closer. So I just wanted to let you guys know how these things work outside. I'm testing it out, if you guys can see. It's not that bad, but we're gonna take a look at the audio when we get actually close. And I'm just walking individually, seeing how good they work and see how well these things work. So right now we are getting some air coming in and hitting us. So let's go ahead and take a look at the video. Today, we're going to bring a wireless microphone for your iPhone or iPad. We're going to take a look at this. So if you're going to be blogging or you want to interview people and you're outdoors or you want to make sure you get the best quality audio coming out of the actual iPhone, this is one way you can do it with wirelessly. You could set up an individual to set up a actual device in their chest so the actual voice can be captured. If there's an environment where there's a lot of public people, that it's in a public place where there's a lot of people around you, this is a perfect way to do that. So to avoid that loss of audio and you want to capture a great interview or just the audio of something, if you're going to be blogging, or not only that, you could be streaming, this is a great way to do it. And by using your iPhone and your iPad, let's take a look at it and see what you get. So first of all, just to let you guys know, the vendor was kind enough to send this out for us to review. So let's go ahead and open it up. So if you guys notice, the first thing you get is, of course, the instructions and how to use and guidance and stuff like that on the actual device. They give you the USBs that you're going to need to charge them, because these are rechargeable. There's no battery included. They're all lithium battery based. You get the actual base itself, and this base is the same size, similar to actually the iPods, and I have them here side by side if you guys notice, but it's a little larger, so you get a better comparison of the size of them. All right, so just to give you that inclusion, heads up on that part. Now opening it up, they're actually a lot smaller than you anticipated. So here we have the actual clip-on. And if you guys notice, it's a Type-C. And this will be the actual one that you're going to say to the clip-on to yourself. So you can clip onto yourself, easy like that. And then it's really small, really tiny little individual off and on button. And of course, you got the charging station here. This will actually charge. You could charge it individually, or you could charge it into the actual base itself. And of course, on the base itself, there's a charging station underneath. It's a Type-C charging station. This retains battery too, so you could charge it in there, both of them. Now, this is the tie down for the actual iPhone or the iPad. It's a lightning bolt PD, if you guys can see the connection. And this will actually be the receiver, all right? And this is the transmitter and the receiver, of course. All right, let's go ahead and start it up. So just to let you know, this thing gets power from the actual phone, but if you find it that it's running really low, there's an actual area here. You could run an external battery, or you could plug it directly with a USB Type-C. Now we have this system in here. We're going to turn it on. We hold down the button. If you guys can see, there's a little light going on. That means it's on right now. And when you turn on the camera, let's go ahead and do the camera mode. The camera mode is we're going to switch it around. If you guys can see the camera mode, and we're going to record on it. But before you record on it, you got to make sure that you set up the actual system itself. So we'll record. Test 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to tap it, just to make sure that it is recording. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Stop it. So we're going to keep it on. This will last you many hours. If you guys notice, there is a little light in this one. So we're going to go and take it outside, and we're going to record on it. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm actually outdoors, sorry. So I'm walking around in this thing, and pretty much it works very good. You can even tap on it and see it, and it's right here if you guys can see that. It's a beautiful day today. We're here in California, nice weather. So hope you guys enjoy the video.